Samsung just announced the Galaxy Note 10, and you should get a case for it. Let's take a look at some of the cases that i-Blason sent me. I have 4 cases here that are very similar. They sent me 3 different cases in their Cosmo series. The Cosmo series cases are made up of polycarbonate and TPU. These are 2-part cases, but however, note these do not come with a screen protector built in. This case has a great feel to it. It's not too slick, but it's not too grippy, if that makes sense. To install it, take the front part of the case first and snap your phone into that, and then just pop it into the back of the case. And that's pretty much it. It's a great looking and a great feeling case that offers a decent amount of protection. The other case they sent me is the Aries Series case. This case is very similar in design and installation as the other cases. The big difference is the back of this case is clear. It does have a nice grip on the sides while giving you a smooth surface on the back, which makes it work great for putting in and out of pockets. Let me know down in the comments which one of these cases caught your eye the most. Click the link down in the description below to see the other styles and colors that i-Blason has to offer. And to see some other phone case reviews, click the link on the end screen of this video. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.